Welcome back to the first trade. We've got some fresh data coming out of the UK today showing a huge jump in unemployment there. Yahoo Finance's Oscar Williams-Groot is live in London with all those details. Oscar, break down this dismal report for us.
Good morning, Alexis. That's right. We had some pretty poor numbers pointing to the economic impact of the coronavirus shutdown from the Office of National Statistics here in the UK. They released, first of all, the quarterly report for the first quarter, which showed actually we're in a great position going into this crisis. Employment stood at a record high of 76.6%, and unemployment was close to record lows at 3.9%. But the ONS, alongside this data, also released some experimental numbers, what it calls experimental numbers, aimed at tracking the live impact of this crisis. It showed that there was a 69% jump in unemployment claims in April. That translates to 850,000 new claimants, taking the total to 2.1 million. Now, this is experimental data, as I said, but that should translate into an unemployment rate of roughly 9%. That would be the highest rate since 1996, around a third higher than any unemployment rate we saw during the Great Financial Crisis. The ONS said they also saw the biggest decrease in new job vacancies since they started measuring the data in 2001. Now, as bad as these numbers are, there's a lot of fears that they could get even worse. The UK government said today that 8 million employees have been furloughed across the UK under the job retention scheme set up by the Treasury. Now, there are a lot of fears growing by the day that many of those 8 million will actually be laid off as the scheme starts to wind up towards October.